In this video, we're talking about internet marketing strategies. The world of internet marketing and the strategies associated with this have changed, well, honestly, faster than I changed my socks. And with 2020 that is in our rearview mirror, thankfully, with more people going online, more eyeballs online, more businesses pivoting online, this has been a wealth of information for the digital marketing world. So let's talk about it. Let's talk about digital marketing strategies and how you can utilize them for your small business as well. In this video, I'm going to share with you my 15-minute-a-day strategy that consistently generates leads and sales even when I sleep. We're also going to talk about building intimacy and trust with our dream customers. And finally, we'll put the social back in social media. I'm just going to spill the beans right off the bat. My 15-minute-a-day strategy that generates consistent leads and consistent sales and consistent sales calls is to show up on my live stream show every day on a consistent basis. When you start to do this, you're showing up as the attractive character. You're shining a spotlight on what you do and the formulas and frameworks and how they actually get people results. You're highlighting your students. You're shining a spotlight on their wins. You're celebrating their victories. You're helping them work through the difficulties, and you're doing this in a public forum. So those people who are humming and hawing about what your solution is or whether it will work for them, they'll be able to see how it actually works in reality. And the other thing I love about it is I'm not the best at explaining what I do. I like my testimonials to speak for themselves because I do different things for every customer based on where they are with their business right when they walk into my world. We like to build custom packages for people. Because of this, it was really hard for me to come up with that single elevator pitch. Instead, what I did was I started showing up live and my content spoke for itself. People started to define what I did in different ways, which again helped me grow. It helped me understand who my customers are and what their needs were. It helped us broaden what we do, and it helped change the direction of our business. So making sure that you have that space for your people to collect, it builds your community as well as building your leads. And the coolest thing is when it comes to those calls that I get, the sales calls, and the people who email me literally just wanting to throw their credit card at us so that they can buy our products, even if I haven't pre-qualified them, even if I've never answered a single one of their questions, they have been satisfied. Their need for information has been satisfied based on the content we provide on our live show. The cool thing about live videos, you don't have to edit it. You don't need to pay for that tech team. Once you shoot it, it's done. It stays up there and it continues to nurture your dream customers even when you go to sleep, even when you go get pizza with the kids, even when you decide to leave on vacation. It doesn't matter. And the cool thing about a live show is that you can do it from anywhere. The systems we teach in Live Academy will show you how to do your show from any device, anywhere. You can build a lovely mix of content for your people, but you're still showing up, you're still nurturing them, and you're still giving them that value that they're looking for. And if you want more value like this, definitely hit the subscribe button and come along for the journey on the channel. Another internet marketing strategy that has changed the game for my business is email marketing. Making sure that you're constantly generating those leads, collecting people's emails, and contacting them. If you collect people's emails with your lead magnets and your opt-ins and whatnot, and you don't follow up with them, what was the point of collecting the email in the first place? Yay! So you're either going to follow up with them through email, which is great and very cheap and accessible to do, or you're going to utilize those same emails in your retargeting campaigns and follow up with them in that automated way. Either way, I want you to keep in contact with your people. Even if you're just starting out and you're just starting to grow things and you're very slowly getting into the launch world, well, I want you to share that journey with your people. Yes, you're going to share it live on your show that we just talked about, but you're also going to send up a heads up to your email list. Say, hey guys, in half an hour I'm going to be live. Or hey, I'm going live on Friday and I want all your questions. If you have any questions about what we do, this is your opportunity to have them answered right by me. So definitely send me those questions, right? That's the way that you engage, and you can use email in different ways. But question time, clearly. I want to know what you guys think down in the comments below. Do you use email? Do you hate email? I sometimes don't like email simply because my inbox gets filled up with all of the different lists that I'm on. So that turns me off of wanting to send daily emails to my list. I only send them when I have something to say. So let me know down below, are you someone who emails your list every single day religiously, or do you have something to say and that's when you message them, or do you not message them at all? You just collect their email and ghost them. Let me know down below. Now, the easiest way to get into the world of internet marketing is to use social media content marketing. This means that you start to create content that serves the needs of a community or a niche, and you're going to serve that community all of this value with your content, hopefully gathering them together and building that following. Once you do that, if you have the right systems and automations in place, you'll be able to ascend them from just being your Instagram followers into being raving fans. Now, here's the thing. When I started in this world, I had a friend of mine or a coworker who was doing really, really well on Instagram. We come from a completely different world, so it was cool to see someone else in that world who was playing in the digital marketing space. And they had this really great fitness page on Instagram. Tens of thousands of followers. But when I asked them how much they're making per follower, what their conversion rate is into the program that they were running, it was next to no one. Even after they'd been doing this for 5 years, they had this huge, massively engaged following. They had been creating content specifically geared towards their dream customers. Then they had collected tens of thousands of them on a single platform, but they had never, ever thought about the conversion process and how to move those Instagram followers into paying clients in their coaching program. They had all these great ideas, but they weren't tied together properly. So what we did was we looked at the strengths of this business, and we saw that the strength was in the fact that they had collected these people who were the right target market. They are all dream customers. And we looked at the weakness, which is that conversion process. And so we started creating content and testing it and using what we learned from those tests to create the appropriate products to move customers through that value ladder. So we created our lower ticket products. We created opt-ins and lower ticket products and unboxing funnels all the way up to the application process. And now my friend's coaching program, he now asks 3 times the monthly rate that he originally offered, because he has to turn people away. That's how many clients he's starting to get now. He's converting those tens of thousands of Instagram followers into high-ticket, recurring revenue, simply because he created the right kind of content and knew how to listen to that content. Remember, visibility hacking is the art of seeing just as much as it's the art of being seen. So knowing what to look for in our analytics, knowing what to look for in our engagement rates will help us create the right kinds of products and the right kinds of experiences that are going to move our customers up our value ladder. Simple. And if you want more simple strategies like this, definitely hit the link below and join us for the Visibility Hacking Secrets Training Vault. You've made it this far in the video, so you deserve something for free. And let me give this to you. It's a whole slew of my favorite strategies that we use in the visibility hacking movement to help level up our influence, our authority, and ultimately our income online, because we're here not only to make money, but to make a difference in the world. And I want to see what kind of difference you guys make.